Hello everyone! Today I will be drawing a dragon idea on a hand based on this comment. I asked you to send me emojis in the comments and I will come up with ideas for dragons based on them. So if you want me to draw a dragon based on your emojis, write them to me in the comment. And so today we are drawing a shark watermelon on the hand. To start, I'll draw the drafts of the upper and lower jaws. By the way, if you forgot or don't know how to make dragons on the hand, watch my old videos. There I describe in detail and show how to properly make a dragon on the hand. Now I shape the form of a shark's jaw. I'll draw the gill slits. And now I'll draw the shark's little eyes. I'll draw the gums. And now I'll draw the sharp little teeth. I'll draw the nostrils. And now I'll draw the shark a few slices of watermelon as an accessory. And now let's draw the leaves and tendrils of the watermelon. Now I will draw patterns on the shark like a watermelon. And now we start to color our shark. this is what my watermelon shark turned out to be. Write your emoticons in the comments, and maybe it's your emoticons that I will draw the next dragon on. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck to everyone.